a wide circle. Just make sure there that there's no lines in the face. Okay, make the circle here. Now we make the eye. The eye could be like this. So you make a circle here, then you make another circle at the bottom, then you just color the rest of it in. This will take one. Okay, it's done. Now we do the other eye. So like this one goes like that. It doesn't go like another circle. This one goes like this again. Then like this. Then you go it in again. If you have any extra pieces like drawings, go down the line, erase it. Then this one again, and then you go it in. Be careful with that. Be careful. Okay. So just keep going, keep going, keep going. And if you're getting the white circle, it can really erase that part. But try to not erase the circle. The circle. Okay. Then now you do like a little. It's like a J. Then you make this. Like this. It's like a. Then you make like these dots in there. Then you like do a J again, like that. So then we're done with that. We're gonna do this. We'll have a little feet. Then a natural little feet. Then we're gonna keep going there. It's there, beautiful. Instead of making another feet, the feet is gonna be here. Like that. Then the space is gonna be here. Then the cat here. So make sure you have space in here. Then you're gonna do that, a wavy shape. Then at the end you do a circle. Then do that. Finish that. Finish that. Here, like you could do a detail. Like here, like you could do like pretending a little fur. You could do the lines to make it like fur. And in the body, you could do like lines, but I don't want to do lines. Let's do the whiskers. Here's my cap right now. Okay, now let's do the ears. For the ears, we're not gonna make it too sharp. We're gonna make it like ovally. Not like that, ovally, like that, and then like a here, and then like that. I think this one was more better, yeah. So you could do like this or like that. If you want to make it wider, you could do that. But I want to make it wider. If you want to make it like a little small, you can make it small. And yeah. And then let's make it wide. So if you make it wide, don't go up, go like sideways and go there and then go down. Here in the bottom, you'd like to do the same thing, but like a little smaller. And we made our own cat. You could color it in. So yeah, let's color it in. So for the colors, you could do whatever color. But for me, I think I'm gonna do like a black cat. Or no, maybe I'll do a black cat. And for the eyes, you could do this. If you want to color the eyes in, I'm not forcing you to do anything. But like, you could do this, like that. So like you could color the eyes and color, but I think I'm gonna do it like that. Beautiful. Then you just color it in right here, like space. So these are the colors I'm going to be using. The colors I'm going to be using are black. For the eyes, I think I'm going to make it blue. And the nose has to be pink. It has to be pink. And you can make the claws. You can make the claws. Then now we use these colors. You can get some gray for the claws, but it's too tiny for me. So let's do the eyes. We could do like a little lighty. You could do it some light. Or you could do it dark. I don't know. Now we do pink for the nose. Oh, I think I found it. I don't know. So for this one, we're gonna do the ears. Yeah. Oh, I didn't go to the nose. I'm going to get out of there. Okay. Let's do this pink for ears. It's like a light pink. I could do it dark. I'll do it dark. Then we do black for this. I want to. You can trace it, right? Yeah, we could. We could trace the body with a Sharpie or a marker. Anything black that you have, it's still beautiful. You could do a little color, but I want it to be like a straight cat. Okay, I did the same, like the feet, the body in it, and I was doing the tail. The tail may be like the hardest part, maybe. I should do like little details, be careful with it. Like that. Now we do the face. Careful with the eyes. Yeah, I just want to do whiskers, but let's do that. Whiskers. 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 Then let's do the whiskers. Whiskers. And another whisker. do the ears. Okay, now let's just do the little mouth. Yeah, we're done. So yeah, now let's just color it black. Okay, this is how my cat is looking out. This is how it's looking right next to the tail. So if you did details, you could color it a different color, like pink. You could color the details in the tail if you did, or like a body pink, purple, blue, whatever color. But it has to look beautiful. Color it softly if you want light. Color it a little dark because I want it dark. Okay, this is how it's looking so far. So far, so good. Okay. This is looking kind of cute. So, this is so good. So we're done, but you could do some little details like grass or like sun or clouds. Maybe I will do grass. Maybe I should do grass. So let's make like hails maybe. You should do hails, like little hails. So there's my little hails. You could outline it. I don't think you should, but I will. But yeah. Like that. If you have like any like lines, extra lines, you didn't go on top, you could erase them. Like I have one. I totally have one here. If you cannot find some, you can ask someone for help. If you cannot find like any likes, I mean like lines, you can ask help for your friends or a brother or siblings. Okay, you could color it. I suggest, but let's color it. I'm looking for a beautiful color of green. I have like a bunch of green. I don't know if this is green. It's like a green yellow, so I don't know if that's green. These are like the only greens I have. Wait, if I'm losing. And I think there's another. I have like so much. And another. Okay, I'll just. Oh my god. And there's another one. I found like 1,000 of them. But you could choose like one of these, like a light one. Like this is like a darkish one. Another light one, like a darkish, and I think like this is a light darkish, and it's just like this one, a light darkish. So I'm gonna use this color. It should be like a light color or something, like that. If you want to do some flowers before doing like grass hails, you could do it with a pencil, then the Sharpie or a marker, something that's black, and after you can erase the pencil lines, if there are. Okay. So I'm just gonna keep going. If you want it light, this is like you could do, and it's broken, you could do this. Look, it's so beautiful. There's some black here, so I'll just mix it up. If you're like right here, don't do it so quick. Take your time. Take your time for the sides because like right here, these sides are like so hard. Like these sides right here. These are like so hard. So like in the bottom, like in the middle, you can do it fast like this. But for the sides, take your time and just take your time. Ask for a parent or someone to help you color if you don't want it to take so fast. I mean, if you want to do it fast, yes, definitely. And take your time for the bottom. And for the bottom too, I suggest you put like your finger here. So if you have like pages under like this one, you can put your finger here and then just color it. And it just gets in your finger. And now, take your time. Now take time. Take the time you have. Then, I'm going to do a little fast. Okay. Like that. Put a finger here. If you're not left-handed, you can ask a sibling to like color it like that. And once you're done with the side, don't you think do this? Because I want to do the sides. Sometimes I don't know how to do it. I want to do this one, but I think I know this side. The key to not get out of this line is beautiful. This is so beautiful. Bye.